Good morning. It is Sunday. Coffee in hand, headed out to the unglamorous side of things for House and Spouse, aka making a living doing construction. Good morning.
Hey.
Hey, what are we working on?
Working on an estimate on a siding job.
Okay. And also let's just talk about what's going on with the house this week.
Well, so a lot of assessment of stuff because kind of waiting on subcontractors and
subcontractors is a big deal. I
Big
think
deal.
people need to know a little bit more about what that looks like.
well, so what holds up a lot of jobs is availability of subs or permitting, which is another thing. I've got to permit that job as well because I'm going to build an addition on the back of it, and that coincides with a lot of other steps, which is I want to get the addition built before we tear into the roof and start, putting a new roof on it because that's going to be part of it. It's going to be incorporated into it and all that stuff. So a lot of stuff is about logistics of getting material there, getting subs there, and putting it in the right order, which is so that you don't back up and spend money on doing stupid stuff like tearing stuff out you just put in. No sense. That had 2 5/4 tens there.
What are you saying?
Their estimate calls for 2 5/4 10 Hardy boards. That makes no sense for what they're trying to do here because it doesn't go anywhere on the plan. So if they just want to spend their money on it, go ahead. But there's no real reason for it.
That just sounds like gibberish to me.
It is gibberish for most people, and that kind of is in my head too. So
Oh, that's not good.
yeah, not good.
So here's the office, and I just want to show people, like, this is Pat's desk. There's a lot going on here. How do you know where everything's at? Because this gives me a lot of anxiety. Because just for reference, let's look at my desk.
Yeah, but your desk is
Like,
about,
everything's got its place, right?
It's about accounting, which is like boxes and squares. This is not boxes and squares.
This is just a lot.
It's not a lot. I get it. I understand it. And I'm working on scheduling right now. Everybody has a color.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So everybody's this. So I mean, this is the way it rolls.
I understand that. That makes sense. But
but this is
like
part
this?
of the overall rolling schedule right here. You have to work all of that into that.
I know,
which
but
is not
look at the
easy.
desk.
See all this. See all of that. All of that has to get worked down into a box, which is not easy. I know how all this works because I know it takes priority. The stuff on the top is priority. Stuff on the bottom is not priority. That's the way it works.
But how do you...
This is one builder. This is actually one series.
It's one
of builds.
job, basically.
It's 2 actually, but it's
okay.
All that's together in that. We install shutters. That is all over here. This is a guy that we're starting on soon.
Okay.
I know how it works. This is accounting that goes to you. Shuffles down the box, goes to you. That's how it works. I mean, this is reference material up here. I mean, I know how it works. Over 30 years of being in business, it's just
Pat,
the way it rolls.
There's better ways to organize your stuff. I'm just saying.
There's not. This is, believe
Can you teach an old dog new tricks?
You're not teaching this old dog any new tricks. This is how I'm running this. This is how they're going to carry me out of here.
Oh, God.